so we can try again. Likes may blind you. The crowd is hungry to taste your body. We all know this world is full of mistakes. A free mind takes you higher. Learn your fake post, honey, you're crying. Feel the wisdom floating over your hands, and I feel alright when I see you and I coming together to another dimension. We can prove our lives. There will be no mistake in love, right? Do we all have to grind before I reach the claiming ascension? Learning from the ups and downs. It's not an easy way to grow, but it's the best way to go. Oh, oh, oh.